Hello everyone. Beautiful Tunisian crochet pattern. Look so nice and easy. Only 2 row repeat and 2 stitch pattern. Even number of stitches 2 plus 2 plus 1 for the edging, and this is looks so beautiful. In this way you can see this one, this side, so beautiful. Make a magic knot. Put the yarn in the finger here like that. Put the hook, bring the yarn through, put the finger, pull both yarns. Then you can make it tight like that. Make a chain. Make even number of chains plus 1 for the edging. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, extra 1. So this is the chain, look like that. Skip the first one, skip the stitch, go in the second one, put the hook through, bring the yarn through like that, look like that. Hold with the finger, go in the next hole, this side, so we'll finish the whole row like that. The stitches now, first row finished, look like that. Now the second row. Second row, fold like that. First stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, all now pull through 2. So we will finish the whole row like that. Second row is finished, and this one you can see look like that. See here. Now third row, yarn on the top of the crochet, put the finger, put the crochet in these 2 yarns. You can see the yarns here all around, 2 yarns, and bring the yarn through 2 and see, look like that. Again yarn on the crochet, put the finger, go in the next 2, this one and this one. like that. Yarn again, put the finger, one and two. So this will now look like that. Yarn over, one, two, and bring the yarn through. So this one now looks like that. We will finish the whole row like that. Now the last stitch of the row, yarn over, and we will go through two, one, two. So this is the whole third row, looks like that, and this is the whole pattern. And now the next row, pull through one, first one, pull through one, then pull through two, one and two, again pull through two, pull through two. So we will keep going like that. Finish the whole row, pull through two, through, keep the yarn loose, pull through two, pull through two. So this is the next row, and we will finish like. Now this is the pattern finish, and we will repeat pattern, and the pattern looks like that. So the first stitch, yarn over, press with the finger, go through two, you can see here two stitches, go through two, like that. Next, yarn over, press with the finger, go through two, see here, yarn over, next one, yarn over, press with the finger, one, two, go through two. So this is the repeat pattern. Yarn over, press, so this is all. So we will finish the whole row like that. Be careful about the last stitch. Last stitch, yarn over, press, and you can see here two yarns. Go through this two and bring like that, and this is all the pattern looks in the beginning like that. Now all the time, first stitch, bring through one, then bring through two, then we all go through two, go through two, and we'll finish the whole row. Next row is finished and the pattern looks like that. This is so beautiful.